Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check the OPPO F7 country. Firstly, you need to open a browser and then go to IMEI.info website. When you are here, just enter your IMEI number to the empty bracket in the middle of the screen. Go for captcha protection and click on check. Now you can see whole specification about your OPPO F7. Then, if you want to check the OPPO F7 country, you should choose Info&Country check. Then click again at check OPPO warranty and country and wait 10 seconds until full specification is provided. There you go, you can come up with plenty of very useful information, and here you can check country about your OPPO F7. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.